How to link Instagram to YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and select on the share profile icon. Here, simply tap on the copy link option and the link is copied over here. So now let's go to the browser over here. You can go for any browser that you have. Here I am going for Google Chrome, and as you go for Google Chrome, what you simply need to do is you have to search for youtube.com. So let's tap on youtube.com and make sure your screen is in the desktop side so that you have easier access. Now all you need to do is make sure that you have logged into your account on YouTube as well. Now all you have to do over here is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and select on view your channel. As you tap on view your channel, and here you'll be able to see the option of customize channel over here. Select on customize channel, and as you select on the customize channel option, it will take us to this new page where it's studio or YouTube studio page over here. So all you need to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of links over here. You can see the option of links under Instagram, so you can just tap on link title. You can insert as Instagram over here, and here you just have to paste the link that we had copied earlier. So let's tap on it and paste the link, and as we do that, we can just now go back and we can save it over here. So yeah, that's how we can add or link the Instagram to YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.